Can ChatGPT actually make you money in 2025? The answer is yes. And in this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways anyone can earn online using ChatGPT. No coding, no investment, just creativity and a little consistency. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the Method 1, Freelancing with AI. You can use ChatGPT to offer freelance writing, blog, or email services on Fiverr and Upwork. Clients want fast delivery. ChatGPT gives you that. Type the client's topic, polish it with Grammarly or Quillbot, and deliver professional results in minutes. Average income? $10 to $50 per article. Method 2, YouTube automation, faceless videos. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts, Pictory or InVideo to generate visuals, and 11 Labs for voiceover. Upload faceless videos like this one, and once monetized, you can earn $300 to $1,000 a month per channel. Method 3, selling digital products or prompts. Create ChatGPT prompt packs for business ideas, content plans, or SEO. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. People pay for ready-made prompts. It's a low-effort, high-profit method. So these were the 3 best ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2025. Freelance writing, YouTube automation, and selling prompts. All you need is consistency. Which one will you start today? Comment below and subscribe for more AI-powered income ideas, only on AI Unlocked.